My name is Joe Cutsforth. I started here in 1977. I'm a lead hand out in custom screens. What I like most about manufacturing is probably the challenges it presents. Not knowing what I was getting into, it seems like it's not a routine. It's an adventure and a challenge every day or whatever. The business has changed a lot over 45 years. When I first started here, it was called Nichols Home Shield. It was 1/4 of the size building it is now. I think my original clock number was clock number 87. And that's when I went in sequence, so that's about how many employees there were at that time. Now the plant's 4 times bigger and over 300 people, so a huge increase. Why would someone come work for Quantics? I would like to think because for all the factories in Rice Lake, it's probably the cleanest factory that they would be working in and one of the safest, friendly atmosphere, and we're going on 50 years in business, so they would be assured of a steady job. It's not just a job, it's your future. You can raise your family off a factory job. And it isn't, man, I'm gonna stand in a line and have parts come by me all day long. You're moving around, you have the ability to move on whatever your goals are within the company.